This competition is a great way for us to reach back into the schools and to encourage students to look at real problems, figure out ways to design solutions and deliver those solutions that have a real meaningful impact.
This introduces young people to a fun approach to science.
Everyone contributes equally, and that's the beauty of it. So I mightn't be the best designer, but for sure I could be very good at research.
We are really interested in engaging with schools, particularly at the age group of TYs. And as a local company, keeping the skills local is just one of the most important things for us.
It was difficult at times with like the coding and the wiring, but it was fun.
Because we never did anything like this, so it was really fun to do.
It was interactive, it was creative.
It was interesting again to try something different with them.
We really enjoyed working together.
It was a really cool experience to be a part of and design it and to have it actually work.